how do you manage social media accounts for multiple clients? So the way we do it at Vision Paradox is we use an app called Airtable. It's a web-based app, but you can also use it on your phone. It's a great tool for us to be able to mock up certain ideas and present them to the client without having to go on the actual scheduling platform. It's a free app. Anyone can hop onto it, and there's a pretty big limit in terms of how much space you can upload on there, and it's probably one of the best project management tools I've ever used. You can create different tabs for different social media platforms, and that's how I kind of do it right now with a handful of clients. There's a tab where there's content that needs to be approved. Then there's Instagram posts, Facebook posts, YouTube descriptions, and headlines that need to be approved. So it really keeps everything organized. So when we go onto separate platforms, everything is literally copy and paste or upload and schedule. That's how we kind of go about it. It's pretty collaborative, and it keeps everything in one area. And especially if you're working with a team, make sure there's always kind of like a quality check where you check the quality of the captions, the photo, and all that stuff before you submit. Because the last thing you want to do is submit with grammar errors, or submit something that you feel like you could have expanded on. So yeah,